Injabulo ibibhalwe ebusweni kuthathe 5us. Phela uzobeshelana inkundla nabaculi abanohlonze ngalempela-sonto. U5us ophinda abe umfundi wonyaka wesithathu ezifundweni zomthetho enyuvesi. Umculo uzwa ngaphakathi kuyena. Uthi ukuba sestage nabaculi abadumile abafana noKelly Khumalo, uMakhathi kobe kufezeke iphupho lakhe.
I'm going to be performing on Saturday. I'm so excited. You know, the Heritage Festival is such a good thing for local artists like us in the Northern Cape. It's, you know, a job opportunities.
Nabaculi abadumile bamapiano bazoba bekhona kulempela-sonto.
In the main, what is it that we want to achieve? We want to have our local artists also on national and international stages. We want people to come and see what we have.
Lo mcimbi oneqhaza elikhulu emnothweni wesifundazwe.
The occupancy rate of the guest house is already more than 90%. We have it on record that by the end of today, we are expecting all accommodation to be booked out fully.
You can imagine I cannot pray. Hear me, God. Hallelujah.
Umcimbi wosomahlayo buse Northern Cape Theatre ngolwesithathu ube nesasasa elikhulu emacikweni endawo.